amazing process of mitosis, how cells divide and multiply. Imagine if cities could magically duplicate their buildings, roads, and parks, creating an identical copy in just minutes. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, inside your body, something even more incredible happens every single second. It's called mitosis. Let's explore how your cells divide and multiply to keep you alive and growing. What is mitosis? Mitosis is the process by which a single cell divides to produce two identical daughter cells. This is how your body grows, repairs wounds, and replaces old or damaged cells. Without mitosis, life as we know it wouldn't exist. The stages of mitosis. Mitosis happens in 5 amazing stages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase, and cytokinesis. Let's break them down. Prophase. In prophase, the DNA condenses into visible chromosomes, and the nuclear membrane starts breaking down. Think of this as organizing all your files before making a perfect copy. Metaphase, chromosomes lining up in the center of the cell, connected to spindle fibers. Next, in metaphase, the chromosomes line up in the middle of the cell, perfectly arranged. This step ensures that each new cell gets the exact same DNA. Anaphase, chromosomes being pulled apart toward opposite ends of the cell. Then comes anaphase, the moment of separation. The chromosomes split in half and move to opposite sides of the cell. It's like dividing a deck of cards evenly between 2 players. Telophase, 2 new nuclei forming on opposite sides of the cell. In telophase, new nuclear membranes form around each set of chromosomes. The cell is almost ready to split. Cytokinesis, the grand finale. Finally, in cytokinesis, the cell physically divides, creating 2 identical cells, each with the same genetic material. Congratulations, mitosis is complete. Why is mitosis important? Mitosis is essential for growth, healing, and maintaining your body. Whether you're recovering from a cut, growing taller, or replacing old skin cells, mitosis is working 24/7 to keep you alive and healthy. If you found this video fascinating, imagine what else your body is doing behind the scenes. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on notifications for more amazing science facts. See you in the next one.